Here we will take an example of a red-orange dye, para-hydroxyazobenzene, a product of phenol dye test, and let's see how the UV spectrum can be visualized using the WINMOSTAR software. So I'll open the WINMOSTAR now. I'll select the atom nitrogen. Since we have the azo group there, diazo group, I'll click on the screen by clicking the add atom. We need 2 nitrogen, so I click there. I'll just click 2 times the add bond and we get a double bond. Click 1 nitrogen and you select carbon and you click add atom and you see the carbon atom is added, and click add bond and add bond is added. Again you click the carbon because it's already selected and add bond, and see N double bond N and 2 sides carbon is selected. Now select 1 carbon and I'll add phenyl fragment. See, my C6H5 fragment is added. In the other carbon, same procedure. You click C6H5 and put replace. Yes, you have the other phenyl group attached. Okay, see how it has been flanked. One in this direction and the other in that direction, which we have learned in case of biphenyls also. I select one of the hydrogen atom and replace with OH group. See, I will replace. Click replace and you get the OH group. This is your para-hydroxyazobenzene. So now what we have to do? Optimize. Yes, I'll click quick optimize and you see the molecule has attained the most stable geometry, the para-hydroxyazobenzene. You have the Z matrix generated, you have your Cartesian coordinate. Now go to the CNDO. You select CNDO, no MOPAC. Okay, only CNDO calculation can be done. Okay, if you use MOPAC, you see no UV is shown. If I use CNDO, you see that UV visible is shown now. Okay, so you click UV visible spectrum. Okay, so CNDO you select it. Let me check whether everything is right. Yes, it's singlet and everything is correct and all data are okay, and now I click run. Okay, I need to save the file. It is showing like that. I'll just save with a proper name. Okay, let me use like para-hydroxyazodye. Okay, yes, and now click save, and at the moment the program runs, and at a fraction of a second you get your data ready. So very soon, right? If you have many details, we'll discuss it later. Let me show the UV spectrum which is displayed over here. See, the CNDO-s calculation has given you the UV spectrum. See how beautifully you have the UV spectrum. In very fraction of a second you get the data. This is your spectrum now. And you see, you can view, you have all the lines and peaks. No, you just deselect or you select, you get the things. If you don't want the peaks which is displayed, you just leave it. If you want, you can have it. Okay, I don't want that peak, so I'll just take it off, that line peaks. And you can broaden with at the bottom, you can see, you can adjust and you can broaden your peaks. Okay, so yeah, already it's clear, so no problem. You have all the plots, all the data is available here. You can export it to your Excel also. Okay, and you can plot in somewhere graph making software. You click on the peaks. See, you get values displayed. See, I click here, I have the red line and you have the value for which it has the peak. And see, you have the peak, and you can get the absorbance value, right? The wavelength and absorbance, you can find it from here. Okay, so this is how your UV spectrum is being plotted using your WINMOSTAR. It's very easy. You can export to Excel. See, I'll open in Excel and show you. In the bottom you have export. Open in Excel and your Excel is opening. See, all the data are exported to your Excel. You can use any graph, scientific graphing softwares, and you can again plot and refine your spectrum properly. Okay, this is how you will do. So here we did for a dye. Okay, this is how you can try for many molecules. And you can also click the number and element where you can see all the elements displayed, right? Everything is shown here and like that. Okay.